Hi guys, today I will be showing you how to make this ribcage bracelet. I made this one yesterday, and this is my Independence Day edition. For the obvious reason, the color, the red, white, and blue for the U.S. flag. So I made this one yesterday, and it's actually quite easy. So I'm going to go ahead and share you guys how to make it. We need 3 different colors. So today I'll be using my other country, which is Philippines. I'm going to go ahead and use red, blue, and yellow. So for each color, like this one, this is my size. For an adult size, my size is actually 25 chain long. So a kid size should be about 22 or 20, depending on how big the wrist is. So for this one, I use about 100, since we use double bands for each side, and I have 25 chain. So that's 50, and then 50 on this side, so that's 100. So about 100 for your first color and 100 for your second color, and the border with this one, so that's 25, so that's 50, 50, and then 25 on the middle, because I only use single chain for that one. So that's what, 50, 50, 100, 125. So about, probably need about 330, 340 bands. I'm not sure, so depending on how long you want your bracelet to be. So that's just a quick idea on how many bands you're going to need. It's about 350, just to be safe. Then you will need 3 buttons, or however you want to close it. You can just use clips or C clips. So let's go ahead and start. So you're going to go ahead, for everything we'll be using, or for the most part, we'll be using double bands. Only on the middle part that we use a single band. So let's go ahead and start. Grab your first color, 2 bands. So hook your hook in the middle like this, and then grab your border color, which is the blue here, and I'm going to use yellow for that one. So chain 1, that's your very first chain, and then grab 2 again, grab your border color, which is my yellow, so that's your second chain, and then I'm going to grab blue to hook them all in. So we're just doing like single crochet. So that's my first 2 chains, then we just have to keep doing that. That's my second one, and I'm going to do about 22 for my daughter, making this bracelet for her. So you're hooking there, and chain your second color. Chain your second color, and then grab your third color. To hook them all in. So it's going to look like that when it's done. So we just have to keep doing that. Now I'll show you a few more times. This is your middle part. Just hook your bands in there. Then chain your second color. Chain your second color, and then grab your third color to hook them all in. This does not look confusing when I'm making it. I just have to make sure that you guys see it on the camera. So my fingers are not comfortable. Sorry about that. There you go. Remember, this is just the first half. We're making the first half and then we're going to do the other half later. So that's that. So first color, put it in your hook, grab the second color, chain one, grab your third color, then hook them all in. So first color, grab two reds, and chain yellow, and grab blue, hook them all in. So grab red, chain yellow, grab blue, and hook them all in. To that. So just keep doing that. I'm going to be doing this process 22 times for my daughter's fit. My size is 25, so depending on how long you want it to be. So I'm going to do this up to my 22nd chain and then go back to show you the next step. Okay, so I went ahead and finished my one side, so it looks like that. I did 22 chain, so this is my very last one, my very last chain. So for the last part, you just have to add 2 more of your border color and then just end that one, so just knot it. So now it's time for the second part, which is the middle part. So for the middle part, we have to stack up like your other color on your hook. Just fill that up. So fill that up about 22 or 50, however much you need, but just fill it up to make sure you have enough, so you don't, you can always add more later if you don't have enough hook in there. So we're going to go ahead and fill this up with our second rib color, second color for the other rib, the other side of this one. I'm not sure how much we need, so I'm just going to go ahead and put blue in there as many as I can. That should probably be enough. Okay, so we did that, so we can just to connect them. One simple trick. So now from that yellow, from this red, so you're gonna go ahead and hook that red over there, or stick your hook to the first red. Grab your second color. We're gonna use single band this time. So grab your second color, and then grab 2 from here. Grab 2 from that side. So there you go. That's how we connect it. The second time, go grab your second 2 reds and slide your blue up there. Grab 1 yellow. There you go. So you just have to keep doing that. So hook your 2 red, slide 2 blue up, grab a yellow, hook them all in, 2 red, hook your 2 red, slide 2 blue, grab a yellow, and hook them all in. So hook your red, slide 2 blue, grab a yellow, and then hook them all in. Next, slide your blue, grab a yellow, and hook them all in. One more time, red, blue, grab a yellow, and then hook them all in. So you just have to do that until you reach your very last double red. So as you can see, it's making that pattern now. The ribcage pattern right there. So let's go ahead and do that one more time. Hook your 2 red, go slide 2 blue, then grab 1 yellow, and then hook them all in. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and finish this up and then go back to the next part. I'll be right back. Okay, so there you go. I was able to finish to my last chain right there. So now again, we're going to do the same thing. Go grab your middle color or whatever color you want to end this with, and then just knot it just like that. Okay, so as you can see, it's already starting to show the rib. So now we'll just have to do this part on the other side. Should be easy. So what we need to do the same thing, and now we already have those in there, like what with the red a while ago, how we added 2 red all the time. Now we just have to hook the blues that are already there. So I'm gonna go grab our yellow. So stick your hook in the first double band for the first double blue, and then grab your yellow, your second color, it's chain 1, and grab your next blue, grab your second color, these are double bands again, chain 1, so now you have 2 in there, and then grab your third color to hook them all in. So that's our first 2 chains. So we just have to keep doing the same thing. So blue, chain yellow, we have 4 on the hook, grab your third color, these are all double bands, and then hook them all in. So we'll go grab the blue, chain yellow, so you have 4 on the hook, grab your third color, hook them all in. And again, so we just have to do that till we get to the last part. Chain yellow, grab your red, or your third color, hook them all in. There you go. Again, blue, chain yellow, you have that again, grab your last or your third color, then hook them all in one last time to show you, and then I'm going to finish it up. So grab your two blue, hey blue, don't get confused, grab your two blue, chain your yellow, you have 4 in your hook, grab your red, third color, and then hook them all in. So go ahead and finish that up until you reach the very top, and then I'm going to go show you the final touches. We're almost done. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So there you go, guys. I was able to finish it all the way to the top, and now this is my last chain. We're doing the same thing. Go add 2 more bands and lock it in. And lock it in. So there you go. That is the top part, and now we'll put my buttons in those last knotted bands. I use those for my last part, or I'm sorry, for my buttons to lock them in. So now for this one, we're gonna go add 2 more here. So let's go show that again. So sorry, I think I grabbed the wrong one. So grab the very first red chain, or stick your hook in the very first red chain, and then grab 2 of your reds, then knot it. So we're just doing it for all 3 sides. This will be that will be that part. This one where we actually attach. This is the bottom lock right there. So that's how it works. So there you go. That's what they're for. Okay, and then grab the yellow in the middle part, stick your hook in there, grab 2 more yellow, then knot it. That's your second one, and then third one, just a blue. So stick your hook in that blue, grab 2 bands, the very first blue chain, then grab 2 bands, and then knot it. Okay, so you just have to make sure that they are secure, steady. It's I guess for this one you can knot them one more time together like that, just because they are jelly, and then jelly seems to not get a good grip because they're jelly, they're slippery. Oops, sorry. So you just have to make sure that that end is secure. So our bracelet is done. It's actually done now. So all you have to do is just to go ahead and add your closure, which is the buttons. So this one, I'm going to go show you how to put the button in. So here, so you have 2 bands, right? Grab one, and then just hook it on the first one. This is depending on what button you use. Sometimes it's not easy to just there. So that's that. And then do it on the other side. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up, so you don't have to see me inserting all this stuff in this buttons there. Sometimes they're just not easy to put in there because it depends on how big the holes. So there you go. I just got my nails. No, I don't have nails, so it's harder. So there you go. So just do that for the buttons. It looks like that. And then just knot it at the end. And that's how it looks like. So let me go ahead and finish those other two buttons so I can show the final product. Let me go ahead and do that and I'll be right back. Okay, so I was able to do that. That wasn't very fun. I mean, sticking the jelly bands in the small buttons, not cool, but they look pretty, so, and I was able to get it done, so that's good. So there you go. This bracelet is finished. So that's our ribcage bracelet. I name it ribcage because it's a pattern. So I guess most ideal to the bands that's probably best to use for this one are the opaque or something, because they're a lot harder. They get all jelly like the jelly bands, but it still work awesome. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'm looking forward to see all the other renditions or colors for the ribcage bracelet. So there you go. It's nice and done. Show you how to put this together. So I'm sure everyone else knows how to do that already, but let's go ahead and do it. Oops, sorry. And there you go. Yay. So this is my daughter's size. That's small, I can't put it on. So that's that. That's our ribcage bracelet tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you ever make one, please don't forget to tag me, Michelle Kidder, and for more designs of my work, go ahead and check my page on Facebook, Personalized Loom Bands by Michelle Kidder. And I do have a YouTube page, very few videos. I don't have that much yet. Just search my name, Michelle Kidder, and you'll find it. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope it is somehow helpful for those ones that who wants to make this ribcage bracelet. Thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a good day. Bye!